Hi, this is Mina from Seoul, South Korea. Today we will learn about time. What time is it now? Is it morning or night? Let's get started. Here we go. I'll repeat everything twice, so please listen carefully. AM is 오전. 오전. PM is 오후. 오후. Morning is 아침. 아침. Afternoon is 점심. 점심. Evening is 저녁. 저녁. Let's see some more. Dawn is 새벽. 새벽. Again, morning is 아침. 아침. Afternoon is 점심. 점심. Evening is 저녁. 저녁. And night is 밤. 밤. Here, how do we say today in Korean? It's 오늘. 오늘. Yesterday is 어제. 어제. Tomorrow is 내일. 내일. The day before yesterday is 그제. 그제. The day after tomorrow is 모레. 모레. Now, we will learn how to read the time. But before that, let me tell you something. Do you still remember that there are two different ways to count numbers? These are the numbers that we use for time. And these are the numbers for minutes and seconds, the cardinal numbers. It's okay even if you don't remember, we will do it now. Please check out my other videos to learn more about numbers. Okay, so what time is it now? 1 o'clock. So it's 1시. 1시. If we write in words, it will be like this. 1시. Don't forget the space here. We use 시 with numbers to read the time. This is the unit for time and it can be translated as o'clock in English. So let's read from 1 o'clock. 1시, 1시, 2시, 2시, 3시, 3시, 4시, 4시, 5시, 5시, 6시, 6시, 7시, 7시, 8시, 8시, 9시, 9시, 10시, 10시, 11시, 11시, 12시, 12시. Next, we use 분 with numbers to read minute. It's literally translated as minute in English. Let's read from 5 minutes here. 5분, 5분, 10분, 10분, 15분, 15분, 20분, 20분, 25분, 25분, 30분, 30분, 30분 35분 35분 40분 40분 45분 45분 50분 50분 55분 55분. So, in order to read time in Korean, AM or PM first, then time and minute. If we go further, first we will mention the day. For example, like today, tomorrow, and etc. And secondly, we will mention AM, PM, or like morning, afternoon, etc. And third, we will finally mention the time. Yay! Now you can read time in Korean. Make sure to practice a lot so that you can read fast and perfect. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments below. Thank you for watching my video and see you next time. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.